Okay, well, welcome to the cake decorating contest. My name is Chef Mark, and we're getting ready to start the cake decorating contest. So, you'll have 1 minute amongst both of the teams, the red and the green, to decipher a plan to come up with your strategy of how you're going to decorate. Now, once we start with the actual decorating, which you'll have 5 minutes for, I'll count down a minute at a time. What I'm looking for is, the first thing is I'm looking for is creativity, okay? The second thing I'm looking for is teamwork, how well you all work as a team together. And the third thing I'm looking for, which is really important, is the best use of the ingredients in front of you. Now, everybody has the same ingredients, the spatulas, the knife, the cupcake spatula, chocolate chips, sprinkles, icing, and a cake. However you do it, that's up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 1 minute, and we're gonna decipher, talk about a plan, strategy, and your 1 minute begins now.